During the fellowship, I have learned an immense amount of information and obtained strategies that should help me both as a classroom educator and as an advocate for educational policy. First, I learned early on in the fellowship the importance of being informed about educational issues. Getting a subscription from SCORE for Education Week was a nice gesture and was the first step. Following our pre-readings prior to our first SCORE convening, I felt so much more equipped to be an advocate for education in Tennessee after reading about and discussing the evolution of educational policy in the state. Although I didn't focus on addressing legislators during my fellowship, our work reinforced the importance of learning about legislation that may affect me and my students. I also gained some useful strategies for approaching legislators about educational policy, should I choose to do so in the future. Second, I learned how to consider the audience I would like to reach and how to anticipate their response to my message. Otherwise, I might have conflated educators, parents, policymakers, and the general community in my preparation to speak to them. However, I see now that they all have quite different needs in the sort of information they are seeking, and they may respond differently based on their role during interaction with an educational policy advocate. Third, and finally, participating in the fellowship has reinforced the idea and continues to serve as a reminder that student instruction always comes first. What is best for students in the classroom should remain at the center of our policy, our instruction, and our advocacy. I have tried to establish this idea as my primary tenet while giving presentations, writing opinion pieces, and interacting with colleagues, parents, and the community. After all, if we are going to be truly successful as educators and as educational advocates, ultimately maximizing student potential, then our students have to be the catalyst for everything we do.